Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to delete Snapchat public profile. First of all, we open Snapchat. Once it's open, click on the profile icon. Then, in the public profile section, click on your name. Once your profile opens, click on the three dots. Scroll down to the end. Then click on Delete Public Profile. After that, a small information window will pop up. Snapchat is saying that your public information including roles, public stories, and stories saved to your public profile will be deleted. Snapchatters will also no longer see your name or snaps you send to Spotlight or Snap Map. Then, click on Delete, and your public profile will be deleted. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.